Morning, everyone.
Morning.
It's coffee time.
Coffee time. We had a great night's sleep and now we're ready to go for breakfast and then explore Rome more.
Yes, today is day 2 on our walking tour of Rome.
Exactly. Stay tuned.
All right, let's do it.
And this is how Italians do breakfast.
Well, here we are outside of our hotel.
And we are heading to the Pantheon.
All right, let's go.
Let's start walking. Our first stop is going to be the Pantheon. And after that, we're going to walk to the Trevi Fountain.
Here I am in front of the Pantheon in Rome. And looks like there's no people. Another day, Rome without tourists. How interesting. I have to say, the trip so far is quite beautiful, but I kind of miss the tourists.
Here we are in front of the Pantheon. This is the best Roman temple that arrived to us, completely intact. It's absolutely stunning. This was the biggest dome till they built the Santa Maria del Fiore or the Duomo in Florence. And it's still standing today, perfectly intact. If you decide to go inside, come early in the morning around 9 o'clock when it opens, because to avoid the long lines. This is an historic place in Rome. It's a coffee roaster and they make amazing espresso. So if you're in the mood for a little pick-me-up, this is the place to go. And after this, we're gonna go to the Parliament.
When in Rome, do as the Romans do and have a coffee.
This is another historic place in Rome. It's Caffè Giolitti. It's right by the Parliament. If you want a very good gelato, this is the place to go. And here we are in front of the Parliament. And you can see this is the Italian Parliament. And next we're going to go to the Trevi Fountain. Let's walk that way.
We're here at the world famous Trevi Fountain, and as you can see, there's not many tourists this year in 2020. One of the most famous things to do here at the Trevi Fountain is to throw a coin over your shoulder into the fountain. And it's supposed to bring you good luck. I've done it several times, I've had lots of good luck. And if you want to have the best photograph of the Trevi Fountain, I recommend going to the United Colors of Benetton just behind you and go up to the first floor in the kids section and you can take a photo through the window. And I guarantee you'll have the most amazing shot of the Trevi Fountain in Rome. As you can see, there's no need to do that today because there's very few people.
Now we're off to the Spanish Step. That way.
All right, let's go. We're here at the Spanish Steps here in Rome. As you can see, they're incredibly beautiful. You can't sit on them anymore, but that's okay. It just keeps people moving. Today there's not too many tourists, but that's all right. Here in front of us, we have the Bernini Fountain. Now you might be wondering why the Spanish Steps are actually called the Spanish Steps. To be sure, I don't think it's the Spanish who built them. No, it's called the Spanish Steps because the Embassy of Spain to the Vatican is just there. You can see the giant Spanish flag, how beautiful it is.
And now, after the Spanish Step, we're going to walk to Piazza del Popolo.
Let's go. We are here at Terrazza del Pincio, and behind me you can see probably one of the very best views of Rome. From the Vatican to the Piazza del Popolo, this is probably one of the very best places to be. how we stay fit while traveling. Lunch. Nice delicious salmon and avocado salad.
After lunch, we're off to San Giovanni in Laterano and la Scala Santa.
So we are in front of the Scala Santa, or the Holy Stairs. According to the tradition, these are the stairs where Jesus walked when he was brought in front of Ponzio Pilato. And they were brought here from Jerusalem by the Emperor Constantine. So people consider them holy because Jesus walked on these steps. We're in front of the other big church in Rome, San Giovanni Laterano. In this church, the Pope comes here when he's performing his duty as Bishop of Rome. And here's the statue of Constantine the Great, the Roman Emperor, that donated this palace to build the church.
After resting for a little bit, off to Trastevere for dinner. Trastevere is an area of Rome with many typical restaurants.
Alright, so first thing you gotta do is come to Roma Sparita. There is only one plate to eat. This is called Cacio Pepe. What is it? So it's a spaghetti noodle with pecorino cheese and some Parmesan and this beautiful cheese basket. Where else in the world can you actually eat the plate, the bowl? It is incredible. Stay tuned, folks. You're gonna see I'm gonna be eating the bowl tonight. I have to say, this Cacio Pepe is amazing. And I had an idea. I was thinking, because of the Parmesan basket and the pasta, I would make a taco out of my Parmesan basket. I would do a Cacio Pepe taco. Whoa. So good. Final thoughts on Cacio Pepe at Roma Sparita. I ate it all. Dinner was fantastic, I have to say. When you come to Roma Sparita, what you gotta try is a little bit of everything. You gotta try the fiori di zucca, which is, a deep fried flour, cheese, and beautiful, wonderful stuff. You have to try the fish and chips, which is really called bacala without the chips. And most importantly, you have to try the Cacio Pepe. And eat the basket, because once you eat the basket, you've now discovered an Italian taco. Not for you. What is it? I have an apple pie with a beautiful vanilla gelato, but again, not for you. Not for you.
Let's walk off the Italian tacos with the walk to the Campidoglio.
So if you find yourself in Rome, do like the Romans do. Seriously. Go eat at a Roman restaurant. Hang out a little later at night. And just go enjoy. Go for a walk after dinner. Get lost in Rome for a little bit. It's okay. Not a problem. You'll enjoy it.
What else in the world you can walk in places where 2,000 years of history surround you? If you want to have the best view of the Forum, come here at night on the Campidoglio hill and you can see this with no people. Look at this, it's amazing.